In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit, buy, and sell cryptocurrency on CoinGecko. First, the most important point that trips people up: you cannot deposit, buy, or sell crypto directly on CoinGecko. CoinGecko is not an exchange and not a wallet. It doesn't hold your money, it doesn't execute trades, and it won't store your coins. Think of it as a powerful directory and analytics site for crypto prices, charts, and where coins are listed, more like a search tool for markets than a bank or trading app. Here's what CoinGecko is great for. You can track prices and explore coins by searching for assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. On each coin page, you'll see charts, market capitalization, trading volume, and tools to compare performance. Most importantly, look for the Markets tab on a coin's page. That's where CoinGecko shows the real exchanges that list that coin, such as major global platforms. Those exchanges are where actual buying and selling happens. CoinGecko simply points you to them. You can also track your portfolio on CoinGecko by adding your buys, sells, and transfers manually, or by syncing if your setup allows it. This lets you see profit and loss and total holdings at a glance, but remember, it's only tracking. No real funds are stored there and no trades are executed from within CoinGecko. Now, here's the real process for depositing, buying, and selling while using CoinGecko properly. Start by choosing a reputable crypto exchange. Pick one that serves your region, supports the coins you want, and has fees and security you're comfortable with. Next, deposit money on that exchange. Depending on the platform, you might use a bank transfer or a card or e-wallet option. This is where your actual cash goes. Once funded, buy your chosen crypto on the exchange, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever you researched via CoinGecko. If you'd like, head back to CoinGecko and add that purchase to your portfolio tracker to monitor performance over time. When it's time to sell, return to your exchange account, place a sell order, and convert your crypto to cash or to another coin. Finally, withdraw your funds from the exchange back to your bank or supported e-wallet. As you do this, double-check deposit and withdrawal methods, fees, and processing times, and ensure you're using official exchange websites or apps. Using CoinGecko for research and tracking and your exchange for all money movements and trades is the correct and safe workflow.